Welcome back. When you look at our last topic or last discussion, you will understand that having discovered what you lose as a woman when you fake orgasm, I know you'll be asking yourself, what will I do? Because it wasn't your problem. You were not the reason for your not reaching to orgasm. In most cases, it was the problem on the side of the men. And in all honesty, you want to solve that problem, but you don't know how. Today we are going to discuss something that will give you a kind of tip, a kind of key to how to solve that problem. Sometimes you may sit down and you will imagine, how I wish he can do this. How I wish he can touch me here. How I wish he can tell me this or he can tell me that. Without communicating to him those things you wish. You don't know that your man is not a magician. He is not God that reads people's mind. He is not in your mind to know what you have in mind. Therefore, it is necessary for you to help him to help you. That is why I am going to tell you some of the things you will do to be able to help your man to help you. You can't reach orgasm on your own like that. You will need him to come to help you to get to orgasm. And you will need to teach him what to do. One of those things I will want us to discuss and tell you what to do, and so that you'll be able to teach him what to do, is number one. Remember, when you are trying to let him know what to do, there are ways you will do it, and it will look as if you are doing something reasonable. There are also ways you will put it. Our ego as men will rise, and he may not be able to get that your message. You need to communicate to him, tell him one or two things you need him to do. When you do that, you don't make it look like you are telling him what to do. Instead, make it look like you are telling him something that you want, that you like him to do for you. Don't make it look like you are telling him, you are ordering him, you are commanding him to do what you want him to do. But instead, you can make it look like, honey, this is what I would like. Maybe while discussing on the bed, you can tell him, for example, do you know that I like it when you squeeze my nipples? Something like that. And when you say it, allow him to master the first one you say. Don't jump into the second one immediately. Allow him to gradually grow into it. Do you know I like you to do this to me? Do you know I like it when you do this or when you do this? He will feel like to try and say, okay, you said you like this. Okay, let me try it. Number two, you can start with something that looks like a question. Like, would it be okay if I show you something I really like? Or should I show you something that I would like you to do with me that really turns me on? You can put it as a question. When he is in his right state of mind, when you people are talking, you know the kind of gist you gist with your husband, on the process you can be like, honey, can I show you something? He will be like, what? Can I show you something that when you do it, it turns me on? Jokingly. When you say it, he will understand. He will be like, okay, he will be inquisitive to hear that which you want to say. Or you will be like, can I show you something that, can we try this thing? Do you know when you put it this way, can we try this way? Can we do it this way? Can we, last time we did it this way, can we now do it this way? He will see it from the angle that you want two of you to do something new for the both of you. Not that you want to change the normal way, the usual way he used to do it. And before you know it, you have succeeded in directing him, in telling him, in exposing yourself to him where to touch, where to kiss, where to suck, where to do one or two things that turns you on. You own your body, and you are the one that knows those sensitive areas. Because when you leave it for men, sometimes men thinks that the way they handle their ex is the same way they will handle their wife or their partner, without knowing that in sex, no two women are the same. What turns the other person on may possibly not turn the other on. So he may be thinking from the direction he will be coming, may be out of what you want. That is why you will need to always come to him, tell him what you want, tell him how to do it, tell him do it this way, do it that way. Number 3, this one is very important, my dear. When he gets it right, don't just keep quiet and don't just keep mute. Say something. Say something to show him that you got it. For instance, if you told him that I like you sucking my breast, I like you squeezing my nipple, and he is doing it the right way, say something like yes, something like wow, something like I like it. Make something, or make a pleasurable sound. You understand what I'm saying? And when you do it, it turns him on the more. He wants to do it the more because he wants you to enjoy it. Every man wants to satisfy his wife on bed. That is the truth of the matter. Every man wants to satisfy his partner in bed. That is the truth of the matter. So when they get it right, make a move by your body language, by the word you will say, by saying something that will make them know that I am there. And you will see him do it the more to be able to give you the satisfaction you need. Remember, you are the one losing here, and we are trying to bring him in to be able to help you to gain those things you are losing. I tell you, when you begin to have sex to the point of reaching orgasm, your life will change without you even knowing it. You will understand that people around you will testify that you have changed. Lastly, when he has done it better, don't stop talking about it. Even when he is in his workplace, send him a text message. I can't forget what you did, the way you sucked my breast last night. When he comes back, tell him, wow, the way you were touching my bum yesterday was a tongue. Keep saying it. Keep saying those ones, those things that he did that turns you on, that made you to get to orgasm. Keep saying it to his hearing so that he will keep trying it and keep trying to find a new thing to do so that you will always get to orgasm. That is meant for you. When you constantly say it, they will want to do it the more because they want you to praise them the more. They want you to show them that they are trying. They want to know that they are truly satisfying their woman. Please, this is very important. Don't ignore. Call your husband, call your man to order. Call him. Sit down, lie down with him on the bed and jokingly open up. Teach him what to do, and I tell you, he will do it, and at the end of the day, you will benefit. Remember to subscribe to our channel. Remember to always be here because we are trashing issues. Thank you.